Dear students, now I am going to explain about the functions of life insurance agent or a insurance agent. An insurance agent may work in a team or individually, and they have to deal with different people like team members, their seniors, and the clients, and their work is usually target based. In many insurance companies, agents are responsible for evaluating insurance programs, and they have to give advice on making required modifications in the same. All insurance agents have to perform certain functions and duties, and these functions and duties are explained below. Insurance agents, first of all, they have to take the details of customer requirements, understand it, and then they have to suggest appropriate insurance policy to their client. And they have to calculate premium details of the policy and discuss the same with their clients. The agents, they'll attend programs, seminars and meetings which are related to insurance field, and by attending those programs they are going to learn about the latest techniques, methods, products and services. Agents, they call the clients and policy holders in order to explain and deliver insurance policy, to modify beneficiary if asked, and they will also estimate insurance plan and recommend any alterations or additions. Agents monitor insurance claims and make sure that they have settled rightfully for both the parties, that is both insurer and insured. The insurance agents discuss with the clients about what needs to be provided, and they'll receive information when the claims are made towards insurance policies. The insurance agents develop sales and marketing to compete with the agents in the same field. Agents, they will contact underwriters and customize insurance policies to meet the client requirements, covering multiple risks, and to make sure that given plan will suit the client's insurance needs. To get customers to complete essential medical test requirements and completing KYC formalities. Insurance agents will explain the features, merits and demerits of various insurance policies in order to encourage the sale of insurance policies. Agents will interview potential customers to gather data about their insurance needs, financial resources, future financial requirements, physical condition of the person in case of life insurance or property in case of general insurance to be insured, and know about their existing coverage. Insurance agents plan and review the integration of insurance policies into the accounting system of the company. They carry out even administrative tasks like handling policy renewals. They market and sell different types of insurance plans to individuals, business firms and groups on behalf of insurance company. Constantly they look for new clients and increase the network to find out new customers. They work on allotted sales target and obtain the same to customize by adopting various methods and strategies. They understand the client requirements, and if required, they request higher authorities to customize the insurance plan to meet customer requirements. An insurance agent continuously needs to keep himself updated with latest policy related information such as modification in the existing plan or services or the introduction of a new policy. They'll collect information regarding other insurance companies and know about their products and services. This helps an insurance agent to explain the client and how their insurance plans are competent to as compared to other policies. So what are the qualifications and training for insurance agent? Most of the companies and independent firms prefer to hire young graduates who hold degrees in business or economics. Generally, companies do not prefer non-graduates for agent post. However, there are certain exceptions to this condition. In case a non-graduate has previous work experience or has proven expertise in any business area, can be employed as an insurance agent. Experience in sociology and public speaking can prove as a benefit for the candidate to prove their sales skills. Proficiency in software and computer are significantly essential for an insurance agent. While the criteria to become an insurance agent may differ from one company to another company, all companies demand a candidate to acquire license from IRDA. Then what is the procedure for appointment of insurance agent? An applicant seeking an appointment as an insurance agent of an insurer shall submit an application in Form 1A to the designated official of insurer. The designated official of the insurance company, on the receipt of application, he has to satisfy himself that the applicant has furnished agency application form 1A complete in all respects, has submitted PAN details, has passed the insurance examination as specified under clause 6, does not suffer any disqualifications mentioned in clause 7, has requisite knowledge to solicit and procure insurance business, and he should be capable of providing necessary service to the policy holder. The designated official shall exercise due diligence in verifying the application form and ascertaining that the applicant does not hold agency appointment for more than one life insurer, one general insurer, one health insurer, and one of each of the monoline insurers, and is not in the centralized list of the blacklisted agents. The designated official, on satisfying himself that applicant has complied with all the conditions mentioned in clause 4 and also does not suffer any disqualifications, may process the agency application, and if he found fit and proper, grant appointment to the applicant as an insurance agent by issuing appointment letter within 15 days of the receipt of all the documents from the applicant. The designated officials shall allot an agency code number to the appointed agent, and the agency code number shall be prefixed by the abbreviation of insurer's name. The agency appointment letter issued as mentioned in clause 5 shall lay down certain terms and conditions for appointment, and those that includes all the conditions governing appointment and functioning of the applicant as an insurance agent. The letter of appointment shall be dispatched not later than 7 days after the appointment of agent as mentioned in subclass 5. The applicant so appointed as an insurance agent shall be provided with identity card by the insurer which shall identify the agent with the insurer of which he or she is acting as an agent. The designated official shall enter and update the agency data of the applicant appointed as an insurance agent in the agency portal maintained by the authority through online mode immediately after the appointment of agent. The online updation of agency database records by the insurer is to maintain the updated centralized list of agents maintained by the authority. The designated official shall be responsible to ensure that the list of agents is up to date and accurate. The designated official may refuse to grant agency appointment to any applicant if the applicant does not fulfill any conditions mentioned in the guidelines. The designated official shall communicate the reasons for refusal for appointment in writing within 20 days of the receipt of application. The applicant who is aggrieved by the decision of the designated official refusing to grant agency appointment shall submit a review application to the appellate authority. The insurer shall designate appellate officer to consider the review application of the applicant. The appellate officer shall consider the application and communicate his final decision in writing within 15 days of the receipt of review application. Appointment of composite insurance agent by the insurer. An applicant seeking appointment as composite insurance agent shall make a separate application to the designated official of respective life, general, health or monoline insurance as the case may be. The composite agency application form 1B, the designated official of the respective insurers shall deal with the application in the manner and procedure prescribed in clause 4th. Insurance agency examination. An applicant shall pass in the insurance agency examination conducted by the Insurance Examination Board in the subjects of life, general, health, insurance as the case may be, as per the syllabus prescribed by the authority, to be eligible for appointment as an insurance agent. The insurer shall provide the necessary assistance and guidance to the candidates so that the candidates will get adequate knowledge required to qualify in the examination. The applicant who has successfully passed in insurance agency examination shall be issued a pass certificate to the examination by the examination body. The pass certificate shall be in force for a period of 12 months for the purpose of seeking appointment as an agent with the insurer for the first time. Only candidates who have qualified in insurance agency examination and who hold a valid pass certificate issued by the examination board shall be eligible to be considered for appointment as an agent. Thank you.